How to create a Telegram channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create a Telegram channel, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to create a Telegram channel, all you have to do is open the Telegram app here. You might have seen that people create their channel and you can join, but if you also want to create a channel, it's very simple. Once you launch the Telegram app, at the bottom you'll find this little pencil like editing icon above this camera icon. So tap on that icon first, and here you'll find new channel. So make sure to tap on the new channel option. So just give this channel a name depending upon whatever else, and you can also actually enter a description, and you can also add a profile photo if you like to this particular channel here. And once you've done that, let's just say, you can tap the arrow icon from the top right. You can choose whether you want this to be a public channel or a private channel. You can also select a link and then just tap the arrow icon. Otherwise, over here you can simply enter any of the link that I prefer here and then just tap the arrow icon. You can also add subscribers from your contacts, by the way, so they don't need to necessarily request to join it, because if you have them on your contacts, you can add them to your channel here, and once done you can just tap the arrow icon to add those people and your channel will get successfully created. This way you can actually create a channel on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.